Hi, I'm Antonetta Daune and he's JP Habak and we're the hosts of Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast, your
Fearless Pop Culture Space.
Maraming salamat sa mga ka-eme kasi
Oo,
sila talaga to.
Thank you sa 26 million ka-eme all
Thank
around
you.
the world.
Thank you so much mga ka-eme and thank you for always supporting Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast and Ang Walang Kwentang Channel.
And thank you to Nylon Manila. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sabi nga ng Bini, ang buhay hindi karera. So, common kapag bagets na impatient or gusto agad makukuha yung pinapangarap, parang isang ganon gusto tagumpay agad. So, I think as a mom, yun yung advice ko na don't compare yourself to other successes kasi may iba silang lane. So, may iba kang lane. Pero, ikaw lang yung makakagawa ng sarili mong path towards kung ano yung goal mo.
Ang 24 hours ni Olivia Rodrigo ay hindi mo 24 hours.
Yes. Ni Beyonce, kasi meron siyang yaya.
Oh.
May driver siya. Wala silang
You are
MRT.
your-
Hindi siya nag-MRT.
Ay, di ka sure.
Hindi ka sure?
Ako, lahat tayo, lalo sa panahon ngayon, merong platform. Meron tayong social media, kahit 10 followers lang yan, 20 followers, or 1 million followers yung meron ka. Gamitin mo sa tama yung platform na meron ka. Gamitin mo yung voice mo para makagawa ng difference in any way, maliit man yan or malaki.
Thank you for that, JP.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Antoinette.
And I am JP, and we are from Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast.
Your BBB winner for Fearless Pop Culture Space.